Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of cookwithrayo. In today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make this vegetables smoky jollof rice. I'm not gonna be adding the ingredients, but I'm gonna put the link in the description box. Kindly check it out. First I'm gonna start by melting my oil and my butter. Then I'm gonna add my boneless chicken breast. I'm gonna stir fry it, add my seasoning cubes, salt, and then stir fry till it's well cooked. Next thing, I'm going to be adding my vegetables, add my seasoning, then stir fry till it saute it and set it aside. Then I'm going to add another water and oil just to prepare our jollof rice still. I'm gonna add my bay leaf, the onion, and some garlic, then stir fry it till it's very well fried. Then I'm gonna add a tablespoon of tomato paste. Then I'm gonna stir fry it till it's well fried. Then I'm gonna add my spices. I'm gonna put the link on the description box. Okay, then next thing, we are going to add our pepper blend mix, some seasoning cubes, and some other spices and seasonings of choice. After the stew is well fried, I'm going to add my washed short grain rice, then mix it well with the stew. Then I'm gonna be adding some chicken broth and warm water. Stir to combine, then add a piece of unmelted butter. Then cover and make sure your flame is in very low and cook for about 20 to 25 minutes. Then next thing, we are going to check it. We're gonna check on our jollof rice, add our vegetables that we saute and the chicken, then mix everything well to combine. And then yeah, our smoky jollof rice is ready. So please don't forget to check the description for the full ingredients list. And if you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe. See you in another video. Love you.